Hi, Mick here. Welcome to the video demonstrating the new and improved features of our DSM Fridge Box range. Now, the first of the upgrades we've incorporated into our new models are the gas struts. We've also added some more ventilation to the rear of the unit. The mounting system has also been upgraded with a much heavier class system, and it all starts with the front door that opens up and releases a quick release mount that we have embedded in the front of the box. Alright, and just to demonstrate how this works, we pull this, we pull the box forward, and it's released from the ute. Fit it, it's just a matter of sliding it on, clicking it on, and then it can't be removed from the ute. We also do an aluminium version of the same box. This box only weighs in at around 14 kilos. It does have some steel features to improve its security, but to demonstrate how this can, how strong this mount is, we can give it a quick tow. Just to show how strong this is. Now, we're also working on producing an angle 60 litre version and a CFX Waco range. Go on, give her. And this shows how strong the mount is on our machine. And this pretty much, oh no it doesn't. We've also had, on many of these units, into regional and urban areas where security has been a priority for guys. And that's about all I have to say about the upgrade to our fridge box. Thank you for viewing.